Vicky. Uh, this testimony is regarding my state board exam, and I have passed my state board exam Friday. So I really thank to God for this because I was looking for this blessing from like it's like a 14 month now, and I was just struggling with this. And I just want to say that uh, this was not my struggle. Actually, I make it my struggle, just because of my weaknesses, just because of my laziness. And because when I came here, I gave my exam. This was my third attempt, and when I gave my first attempt, I was very sure that I got this. And I asked to pastor, I got it. I will get it. And I asked to mom, it's nothing for me. I will get it. It's not as hard. But because that was, I was thinking I can do that. I have an ability to do that. And when I got the result, so it was something else. And then again, I did not realize it, why I got fail. Because that was the first time in my life I got FAIL. And then again, I did not realize why this, because I was in like, I can do this, I can do that. Then again, I got the same result, FAIL, and that was like, I become so depressed, and I was like, why this is going on? Why? Because I have that ability. Then how can I can fail that exam? But as soon as I start coming to the church regularly, I will start attending the fasting prayer, whole night prayers, and especially the Bible study. That is like, that work as a booster dose for me. Bible study, because we are on the same topics, struggle of our life. And then I connect that thing in my life, that what's going on. So one day I was reading a Bible, it was around 3 a.m. I got the verse like John 15:5. So it says, you're nothing without me. If I'm not in you and you're not in me, you're nothing without me. So on the same day, like I was like, I just got, this is for me. And the last fasting prayer, it works for me. It really connected me with the God. Instantly I got connected with the God. And I'm really thankful that 14 months, like I was thinking why this is coming, why this temptation is coming on me. The 14 month, I was like, now I know why that was. In last 14 month, my struggle and now my connectivity with the God is 1400 times better than the previous one. My faith with the God is like, it's hard to explain in word. And I'm really thankful to Pastor Vicky Gill. He's an amazing person. He's an amazing person. And everybody knows. I'm really thankful to Brother Rashid, Sister Shushma. I'm really thankful to each and every person here. And I'm really thankful to Mommy Daddy, because my parents in India, they gave me birth. And these are my parents, those saved me. I'm very blessed to have a church like this, have a congregation like this. Really blessed to have a wife like this. I'm really thankful to my parents in India, my brother, all family and friends, each and every person. I'm heading for my RN exam very soon, maybe, and I can give that testimony in advance. It's done. It's done. And because God has given me that confirmation earlier, I got that exam, my exam was on Wednesday. I got that confirmation on Tuesday night that it's done. Nothing to worry, just go and get sleep. My wife, she was not here. She was in city, and she came around like 10 o'clock. She said, why are you so relaxed? You have an exam tomorrow, so you're looking very relaxed. I said, yeah, I'm looking very relaxed. So I did not tell her that why I'm so relaxed, because I got that confirmation that it's done now. So I'm really thankful to each and every person, though those are present here, though pray for me, and just looking forward for my next exam and hope for the best result. I have a faith in God that my next result will be even better than this, and just keep in your prayer. Thank you so much.